Click subscribe and click the notification bell. Like, comment, and share.
I love exploring the world with my little companion. He watches me carefully, following my every command. He's always waiting for me to take him outside. He loves to travel with me. He's always curious to see what's around the next corner. And thanks to him, my travels make much more sense. Meet Turtle, my four-wheeled friend.
And meet us. We're a team of both engineers and travelers. For some time, we thought about a solution that could help people just like us develop their passion of creating and let them easily share all the adventures with friends.
And that's how the idea of Turtle was born. Turtle is the world's first Earth rover, a remote-control open-source platform capable of working in harsh terrain. Turtle is the ideal travel companion, helping you to rediscover this beautiful planet in real time, allowing you to reach new and unseen places. With a design inspired by NASA, Turtle easily overcomes all-terrain obstacles. Made of strong aerospace-grade materials, Turtle drives slowly and steadily, making it a super stable and reliable mobile platform. Driving Turtle is just like playing a video game, but in real life. The only device you need to control the rover is your smartphone or tablet. If something strikes your eye, snap a picture, or record videos whenever you like, then share them with your friends. One rover provides infinite possibilities. If you want to upgrade it, add more cameras or sensors, no problem. Thanks to Turtle's multiple waterproof slots and open-source software, you can add whatever you want. To give you an example, we've included a robotic arm in the price of the rover kit exclusively for you, our Kickstarter family. Turtle can be used in both professional and personal scenarios. Inside the case, there's a special watertight compartment for your own electronics. Waterproof connectors and an upper mounting plate allow you to mount just about any type of equipment on your rover. Turtle is waterproof, easy to transport, and can be driven for up to 4 hours. All Turtle's features were designed with the greatest care by us, a group of people who like to create stuff. We made Turtle to be a reliable, open platform that you can adapt to your own needs. The only real limit is your imagination.
As Turtle team, we believe that everyone should be able to expand on their passion and experience wonderful adventures. After over a year of development, Turtle is almost ready, but we can only launch this product with your support. Join us and become a part of Turtle family. Are you ready to start an adventure?
Holy grail.